Hello students, in last video we learned a set of ordered pairs and a Cartesian product in relations and functions. Now we are going to move what is relation and what is functions. Okay, today we are discuss about what is relations. In our day-to-day life, many occurrences involve two objects that are connected with each other by some rule of correspondence. You know that. We say that the two objects are related under the specified rule. Yeah. Here some examples are given to you. How shall we represent it? Listen. The first one, New Delhi relationship India. What is the between the relationship New Delhi relation India? Very simple thing. New Delhi is the capital of India. Any other relation? New Delhi is in the northern part of India. Okay, anyone? Good. New Delhi is the one of the largest cities in India. So it's going on. So something relations between the two elements or two objects or two things. This is called ordered pair. So now second one, line AB relation line XY, that means OR. Line AB OR means related or relationship. Line XY. What is the relation between this line? Line AB relation line XY. Very simple. The more examples given by this sentence. Line AB is perpendicular to line XY. Line AB is parallel to line XY. Any other example? Yes. Line AB intersect line XY. So is also going on. Next one. Third one. Minus 1 related minus 5. Minus 1 or minus 5. What is the relationship between these two numbers? Yeah. Yes. Very good. Minus 1 is greater than 5. Minus 1 is greater than 5. So like the more exams going on, same like now as added pair, 1 bracket New Delhi comma India, second one line AB comma line XY, third one minus 1 comma minus 5. What is the meaning of ordered pair? So something link between relation between the two elements. The first one is input, the second one is output. Again, the New Delhi is the input, India is the output. Again, the line AB is the input, line XY is the output. Third one, minus 1 is the input, minus 5 is the output. You understand, boys? Very good. So, in our maths, a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. Okay? I think it's very easily to understand that. In our maths, a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. The examples of the last example what they learnt, New Delhi comma India, line AB comma line XY, minus 1 comma minus 5. Like in your mathematics in numbers, 0 comma 1, minus 3 comma 9, 3 comma minus 50. So these are going on. So these are called set of ordered pairs. So relation is just a set of ordered pairs. A relation between two sets is a collection of ordered pairs containing one object from each set. If the object X is from the first set and the object Y is from the second set, then the objects are said to be related if the ordered pair in bracket X comma Y is in the relation. In our book, definition about relation. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B satisfying some specified conditions. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R, capital R, then we write it as X or Y. That means X relation Y. Now let us discuss about domain, codomain and range. Okay, what do you mean by domain? Now a small example for you. the A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B set is some names are given Madhi, Arul and John. Okay. Now see the figure 1.8, the two sets are given using the arrow diagrams also. That chart is called arrow chart or arrow diagram. What do you mean by arrow diagram, arrow chart? An arrow diagram is a visual representation of a relation. Okay, understand? Relation are often represented using arrow charts connecting or mapping the domain and range elements. A relation or between the above sets A and B can be represented by an arrow diagram. What is the domain in this arrow diagram? See, in a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and B set Madhi, Arul and John. But the mapping or connecting elements are 1 to Madhi, 2 to Arul, 3 to John, 4 to Madhi. Okay, the 5 is not mapping to the B set. Listen very carefully. The 5 is not mapping or connecting to the B set. So the domain is what are the elements in A connecting or mapping to the B set. That elements only is a domain. So in a set, what are the domain? So 1, 2, 3, 4 only is a domain because that 4 numbers only connected to the B set. Okay, next one. What is a codomain? The codomain is what are the elements connected from the A set in B. So Madhi, Arul and John. So they are all images in the A set and connected to the A to B. So these are B set is called codomain. B set is called codomain. So in a set, what are the elements are connected to the B set? That numbers only domain. In the B set is called codomain. Note that domain of R relation, capital R is proper subset of A. Domain. It is a collection of the first values in the ordered pairs. Okay. It is a collection of the first values in the ordered pairs. Simply set of all input x values. And then what is a range? It is a collection of the second values in the ordered pairs. It is a collection of the second values in the ordered pairs. Set of all output y values. It's a very important thing. Domain is set of all input x values. Range set of all output y values. Now move to example 1.4. Let A is equal to 3, 4, 7, 8 and B is equal to 1, 7, 10. An important question. Which of the following sets are relations from A to B? Underline that word, sets are relations from A to B. Okay. The three sums are given to you. The first one R1. 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. Second sum R2. 3, 1, 4, 12 only. And the third sum R3. 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7 and 8, 10. So we move to solution. First thing, very important one. First to find out the Cartesian product of A and B. So any sum asks you which of the following sets are relations from A to B. First to find out A cross B. Find the Cartesian product or make a set of ordered pairs given A set and B set. Okay. Now what is A cross B? Yes. Take the 3, 2, 1. So 3, 1, 3, 7, 3, 10. Again 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10. 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. So these are the set of ordered pairs A cross B. Now check R1 to A cross B. Check the R1 3, 7, 4, 7, 7, 10, 8, 1. In A cross B 3, 7 is there, 4, 7 also there, 7, 10 also there. So 8, 1 also in A cross B. So we note that R1 subset of A cross B. So R1 set is the consist of A cross B. A cross B la R1 இருக்கு. Thus R1 is a relation from A to B. Second one, R2 3, 1, 4, 12. So 3, 1 is in A cross B, but 4, 12 not in A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. You understand? 4, 12 not in the A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. Third sum, R3 3, 7 is in A cross B. 4, 10 also in A cross B. 7, 7 and 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7, 8, 10. Check the R3 to A cross B. But 7, 8 belongs to R3. Belongs to R3. 7, 8 is in A cross B. But 7, 8 not belongs to A cross B. So 7, 8 is belongs to R3. R3 la 7, 8 இருக்கு. But 7, 8 not in A cross B. So R3 is not a relation from A to B. Check the R3 to A cross B. 3, 7 is in A cross B, and then 4, 10 also A cross B. 7, 7 also A cross B, and then 7, 8 is a not in A cross B. So R3 is not a relation from A to B. It's a very important sum for you. Now, example 1.5. The arrow diagram shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. Write the relation in set builder form, roster form. Third one is what is the domain and range of R. Again, the three questions are asked to you. The first one, set builder form and roster form. These two questions are already learned in the 9th standard also. The first term, set builder form and roster form. The roster form is very simple, easy thing to make a set of ordered pair. Set builder only you make a set bracket as a formula, x belongs to, y belongs to. Okay. Now the first one, set builder form of R. Using the open set bracket. So two sets are given. So x comma y in the bracket such that slash symbol. So y is equal to x minus 2. Y equal to x minus 2. X is a first set. Okay. Comma x belongs to P. Comma y belongs to Q. X is belongs to P only and y belongs to Q only. And closed set bracket. Next one, roster form. See the arrow diagram. 5 to 3, 6 to 4, 7 to 5. So using the set bracket. So roster form of R is equal to set bracket 5 comma 3 comma 6 comma 4 and 7 comma 5. Close set bracket. And then last one, domain and range. What is domain? Yes. What are the elements in first set mapping to the second set? எந்தெந்த நம்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செட்டில் இருந்து செகண்ட் செட்டில் மேப்பிங் ஆகிருக்கோ. ஸோ 5 to 3, 6 to 4, 7 to 5. So 5, 6, 7 only is a domain of R. And what is range? So what are the elements mapping to the second set or connecting to the second set? So 3, 4, 5 is a range of R. Range of R. Okay, this is also very important 2 marks sum. So understand that very carefully.